'Cause today it's Dinosaur Day! It's Dinosaur Day! It's Dinosaur Day!
Dinosaur Day?
Dinosaur Day?
Yup, Dinosaur Day! It's right here on the calendar.
What the heck is Dinosaur Day?
It's the one special day of the year when we get to honor all the hard-working dinosaur persons out there like our very own Mr. Gus. So yeah, today's all about the big green guy here. Mr. Gus, I hope you're ready to live like a king today.
Oh, yeah.
'Cause you're gonna be treated to breakfast in bed, a deep tissue massage, and then my Dinosaur Day Laser Spectacular. All just for you.
This is gonna be the greatest day of my life.
Dinosaur Day!
Today was supposed to be all about Pizza Steve. Every day is supposed to be all about Pizza Steve. Order must be restored.